start the letter S and the letter E. Smarty cookie. Imagine how life could be when everything can be so slow. If you see everyday actions and put them on slow motion, then you'll see so many details and be so surprised. Flies and insects see the world 6 times slower than we do. They see the world in slow motion. Slow motion means time goes slower. Bugs need slow motion sight so they can escape from their predators. Let's be like bugs. Let's slow down. When we slow down, we can see so many amazing things. Slow motion is so cool. What would you like to see in slow motion? Share in the comments.